Welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about the major differences between primary memory and secondary memory. So, let's get started. Primary memory is used for temporary data storage, while secondary memory is for permanent data storage. Primary memory is directly accessible by the processor, whereas the processor cannot access secondary memory directly. Primary memory can be both volatile and non-volatile, while secondary memory is always non-volatile. Primary memory is often referred to as the main memory of the computer system, whereas secondary memory is known as the auxiliary memory. Primary memory is composed of semiconductors, while secondary memory is made up of magnetic and optical materials. Data that needs to be executed is stored in primary memory, whereas secondary memory stores data that needs to be retained permanently. Primary memory offers faster data access speed in comparison to the secondary memory. Primary memory is generally more costly than secondary memory. The storage capacity of primary memory is smaller in comparison to the large storage capacity of secondary memory. Primary memory is internal and resides within the computer, while secondary memory is external. Data in primary memory is accessed via the data bus, while secondary memory is accessed through the input-output or I/O channel. Examples of primary memory includes RAM, ROM, PROM, EPROM, and so on. Storage devices like hard disk, floppy disk, and magnetic tapes are examples of secondary memory. So, that's all for this lesson. See you in the next one. Thank you.